Oh, shoot.
We got a package from Chalkbox. So we're going to be doing a Dubai chocolate. You guys know my kids is obsessed with Dubai. So we're going to try this out. And they also sent this Dubai dip. I already know Kaylani's been waiting on this.
Low key.
So make the chocolate bar with us. Let's get to it. We have the chocolate bar mold.
Yeah.
And then we have the pistachio cream mix. Kaylani's favorite. Oh, this is the crunchy stuff. And then the chocolate. First, we're going to go ahead and melt this chocolate. So let's see what we're doing. Okay. Okay, we melted our chocolate. We did it in 30-second increments. Be careful because you can burn your chocolate and then ruin the whole bar. We're going to go ahead and
add the chocolate.
Add the chocolate.
For our first layer. Okay.
Okay.
Spread that out.
We're going to tap it around until we cover the entire
chocolate
bottom. Okay, we have our mold filled with chocolate. We're going to put it in the freezer. And then we're going to work on our katafi. To fry the katafi with 2 tablespoons of butter. So we're going to do that.
So mom is doing this butter.
We're melting the butter.
And then we have the katafi right
Don't
here.
put it too hot. I think that's crunchy enough. What do you think?
Yeah, that's good. That's ready. I think it's a little burnt. We're putting it into the bowl.
Why?
Now it says why.
Let's
putting the pistachio cream in there.
Let's see.
Ooh,
it looks like... Never mind. It's all mixed. Okay, next step. Okay, we took the chocolate bar out of the freezer. We're gonna add the katafi. I hope I'm saying that right, or else everybody's gonna come for me.
It's fine. We don't know how to pronounce it.
Okay. Flat enough. We're gonna melt the rest of the chocolate.
And then add it on top.
Yes. I think it's good.
Yeah, it looks good. Right here. And it probably needs to freeze for like how long?
We're gonna put the chocolate in the freezer. Don't mind the mess.
Okay,
you guys! Our chocolate bar is ready to go. I'm gonna let Mama unveil it.
What?
Okay, let Kaylani unveil it too.
Don't worry, dude.
You have to do it. Okay, you guys, here's our chocolate bar. We don't have that much long, so.
Just putting it in there.
Oh, shoot. I caught it on that little one.
Okay, you guys, let's take a little bite, a little nibble. Oh my God, 10 out of 10. Go get yours in the orange cart. You guys, Mama's gonna try the dip. Look at how good that looks. Okay, dip it. Damn, that's a double whammy. Go. Go. This is also gonna be in the orange cart, you guys. Kaylani's gonna try it. Okay, try it. Hurry, you have 10 seconds. What do you think about this?
It's smooth. I like it.
10 out of 10.